Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my melody from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute rabbit, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. And I'm going to make mine nice and big. And I'm going to come right here and give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. There. So now one eye in, I'm going to come across nice and wide, so say about right here, and draw another one. And same thing. So I definitely make my eyes a lot bigger than the original, and I always put a little highlight just to try to make it my own a little bit. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes in the center, so say about right here, and I'm just going to draw this little oval for the nose. Right about here, and then of course a smile right underneath. So just nice round curve right under. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to find the center of my eye, so say about right here, and I'm going to go out to about here, just approximate. So same thing, just drag that across, about the same distance on both sides. And now I'm just going to create this oval around to draw this curve around the eye. So same thing here. So now that I have that, I'm just going to go ahead and finish it. Go around. And let's see here. And same thing at the bottom. Okay, so created this oval around for the face. Then I'm going to, let's say once again, come to the center. Once again, I'm going to come out to say about right here. I'll give myself a point. Same thing on the other side, approximately the same amount of distance, about right there. And I'm going to draw a curve that's wider right here, and then I'm going to taper it in to the bottom of this curve. So same thing here. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to go up. So just creating another big kind of this dumpling shape around. So now that I have this, I'm going to stop because I'm going to come back to the center, which is about right here, and I'm going to go up, just kind of imagining. So if you're using a pencil, definitely finish this big curve first. But since I'm using a Sharpie, I don't want to erase. I'm going to find my center, go up to say about right here. I'll give myself a point. So this is approximately how high I want the head to be. And right about here, I'm just going to draw a small little curve, and that would be my center between the ears. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this first ear. So I'm going to go up, and we're going to flop it down. So come down to about right here. And then just bring it in. Try my best to make it nice and round. And then about just coming through about right here, finish it off. There, so I got one ear, and then the other ear is going to be right here, and we're going to go up. So your goal is to make this ear about the same width as the other ear. That's your goal. So let's bring it up, this one's standing up and about this wide. You're going to bring it down to about there. So the reason I'm stopping, if you're using a pencil, definitely finish the ear and finish the head. But I'm going to stop in this area because about right here, kind of where this line goes, I'm going to stop about right here and create a circle because I want to put in a bow. So I'm going to put in a circle here and then put in my loops for my bow. But definitely if you're using a pencil, just draw in the head shape first. Make it a lot easier. Put in this bow. Okay, so that, and I'm just going to come to the center right here, draw 2 loops, and then finish this off. There, and then finish off my ears. And bring it in. There, all done. It's always so tricky, right, with these Sanrio characters. Hopefully I helped you today. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and come back to the center. And I'm going to go to the left a little bit and go to the right. And about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve on both sides. Then I'll come out to about right here, maybe the side of the eye, about right here, and just draw another curve. Round this off, and we're going to go ahead and connect. So same thing, side of the eyes, about right here. Make everything nice and round and soft. There. And then now that we have that, let's come back to about right here, the center of the eye maybe, let's say here. I'm going to draw a curve for the body. About right there. And then we need to draw the feet. But like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely just go ahead and draw the body and then you can put in the feet. Might be easier, but I'm going to just kind of go down to say about, just going to give myself a point. So imagine how I want the body. That's my center. And I'm going to come right here and draw this oval for the feet. So I'm putting that point in the center so I know not to pass that point to create the feet. There. So I want this oval to pass this a little bit. So same thing over here. Just angle it. There. And then go ahead and just connect at the bottom with a soft curve. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the hand. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and come out and curve a little bit and then bring it in. So same thing here. Curve and tuck it in. Nice and simple for the hands. And last thing, of course, we're going to put a heart right here in the center. To make this my Draw So Cute, my melody from Sanrio. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.